All right, I'm going to show you today how you can go into your IAM account and how you can set a password for students who don't have one. Say you have a new student or you have someone who forgot a password. You're just going to click on that IAM link that is in your Chrome bookmarks bar. Once you click on that, it'll take you right here. You're going to put in your password, username and password, get logged in. And then you're going to come to the application screen, all of these here in your drawer. So first thing you do is you're going to come over to Profiles, click on Profiles, and then you're going to click on My Students. Now you'll have a much longer list here. The only students that I have in my list are just my navigators. But you're going to have a much longer list, and all you're simply going to do is you're going to find that student name. You can search for them here if you want. Once you find them, you're going to hit Change Password, and then you're going to be able to change their password right on your computer, so that you don't have to send them to the media center. You don't have to waste a whole lot of time. Generally, when you do change the password, it's going to take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes for it to get uploaded into the system. So give it at least that amount of time before you decide to maybe send them down to us if it's still not working. Thanks.